Hi everyone, I am Mohit and you're watching ATM All Things Mohit. Today I have with me another Apple product. This is the Apple AirPods Pro. AirPods have been out there for a while and they are the #1 selling headphones. For a while I have been using AirPods 2. Apple recently came out with AirPods 3. So I had to make a decision between AirPods 3 and the AirPods Pro. Power of this AirPods Pro, I decided this is the best one for me. So let's get to unboxing this one. The easy peel off sticker, which is kind of standard with Apple. So you peel it off and usually the plastic tape just comes off like this and you get to unboxing the device. Pretty straightforward. Now what's in the box? So in the box you get the AirPods Pro, which are in the MagSafe charging case. What that means is you don't need to plug this case each time you need to charge your AirPods. You can keep it on any wireless charging mat or MagSafe charger and that would charge the case and the AirPods Pro within it. Let's get to unwrapping this and taking out the AirPods Pro. So let's take a look at these. These look beautiful, but that's expected from Apple. So what's different about these ones? These have two microphones. One is inward facing and the other one is outward facing. And everything that is going out there, it listens to it and then it listens to the noise inside your ear and it works its magic to generate active noise cancellation. You want to hear whatever is going outside, you can use the force sensor on the stem to turn noise cancellation off and get to the transparent mode. So battery life on this is awesome. Using the case, you can charge it multiple times to get up to 24 hours of listening time. On a single charge, it is around 4.5 hours. And with just 5 minutes of charging in the case, Apple claims that you can get up to 1 hour of listening time, which is amazing, as in it would get you through whatever you are doing. It is water and sweat resistant. One more thing that separates it from the AirPods 3 is the silicone tip. You get 3 sizes, small, medium, large. Based on the fit you like, you can use it on your AirPods and then put it in your ear. I certainly like the feel much better than the plasticky feel of AirPods 2. And as I plugged it in my ear, I don't know what magic it is working, but it's already seems very nice and the fit is very good. Pairing the headphones with your phone is pretty straightforward. Once paired, they work with all your Apple devices. Just as you open the case, it also tells you your battery level for each of the AirPods and the case on your phone screen. Overall experience of using the AirPods has been great and I am looking forward to using these AirPods. So let's see what else is in the box. Some paperwork as usual from Apple. I'm sure there would be some stickers in there, and then taking some packaging out. These are the silicone tips that I was telling you about. So the other 2 sizes, in case the size they have put on doesn't seem the best one for you. And then the charging cable. One thing that you would not see in the box is the USB adapter. So in case you don't have a USB Type-C wall adapter, you would need to go out and get one. I really don't like Apple not putting the adapter in there. They are saying it is to be environmentally cautious and you should already have one lying at your home. Well, I don't, so I'll probably have to figure it out. You can find cheap ones on Amazon, or you can spend some bucks if you want to get it from Apple itself. But that's pretty much it, what's there in the box. Hope you like this video. In case you have any questions about the AirPods Pro or any other AirPods out there, leave your questions in the comment section and I will get back to you. Once again, thanks for watching. I am Mohit and this is my channel, ATM All Things Mohit.